Hey folks, if you're moving into a home with an old or broken towel bar holder, this video is for you. I'll walk you through step by step how to install a brand new towel bar holder to modernize your bathroom and match your style. If you're a returning viewer, great to see you again. And if you're a first time viewer, welcome to the AG Squared channel, where I show you how to be handy with DIY do-it-yourself repairs, maintenance, and renovation projects, sharing knowledge that can save you money and time for both renters, aspiring homeowners, and current homeowners. Today, we're installing a towel bar holder, and trust me, this project is super easy. All you need is a level, a drill bit kit, and a screwdriver. Here's the product I'm using: the Glacier Bay mounted towel bar holder in matte black finish. It comes with a drilling template, mounting brackets, 4 drywall anchors, 4 screws, and a hex key for tightening. Each end of the towel bar has a holder with a small hex screw that, when tightened, will secure it to the bracket. First, we need to mark where to drill. I like to roll up a piece of tape with a sticky side facing outward and place it on the back of the template and stick my level on top of it. This makes it easy to position the template on the wall and ensure it's perfectly level. I'm installing mine on this wall here. Once it's level, which we can tell once the bubble is between the 2 indicated lines, I'll drill the first 2 holes as indicated by the template. Be careful not to move the level while drilling. If it shifts, you'll need to realign things. We're only drilling 2 holes with the leveler. After the first 2 holes are made, use the bracket to mark the second set of holes on each side. I recommend to start with a thin drill bit. If you hit a stud, great. You can screw directly into it. You'll know if you hit a stud if you faced any resistance when making the holes. If, like me, however, you didn't have any luck of aligning on the stud, you'll need drywall anchors. Choose a drill bit that matches the width of the anchor, but not larger. I like to compare them from the top view to be sure I use the right size fitting. With the right size found, swap in the correct drill bit, go back to the wall, and enlarge the holes. Do this on both sides. Next, on to inserting the drywall anchors. This might take a little force. If the anchor is not going in, try using a larger size drill bit to make a larger hole. Once all the drywall anchors are in, we're ready to mount the brackets. Swap out your drill bit for the correct screwdriver bit. Pro tip here: check your torque setting. Set it to 4 or 5 to avoid over tightening and possibly damage the drywall anchors or the wall. Screw in the brackets, but don't fully tighten that first screw. Leave it a little loose so you can align the bracket over the second hole. Once you have both screws mostly all the way in, then at that point proceed to fully tighten them. Now, next, take the towel bar ends and use the included hex key to loosen the set screw until it's flush with the inside. This allows you to slide it onto the bracket. Slide it in from the top. Once you feel it lock in place, make sure it is flush with the wall. You'll know it's secure if you try sliding it up and down and you feel resistance. The next part is tricky, annoying, and will take a lot of patience, and that is tightening the set screw on each end. As I struggle through this, let me tell you about other bathroom DIY projects you'll find on my channel. Here is how to repair or replace a toilet tank. Great if you have any issues with your toilet. Next, fixing a weak toilet flush. We all experience this at some point. In this video, I share how to troubleshoot and ultimately resolve a weak flush. Next, replacing a bathroom exhaust fan. A bathroom exhaust fan is essential to avoid mildew or mold from growing in your bathroom. And having one that has an integrated light and is practically silent is a worthwhile upgrade that will elevate your bathroom. Next, installing a new shower head. So easy, anyone can do it, allowing you the chance to curate your shower head to your preference. Lastly, repairing a loose shower handle. I hope you never have this issue, but if you do, this video will prepare you on how to fix this without needing to replace the shower handle nor hiring a plumber. All of these projects are beginner friendly and can save you hundreds of dollars. And that's it, folks. The towel bar is installed, it's secure, and it looks amazing. especially with the black hardware matching the rest of the sink hardware in this bathroom. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more DIY home repair renovation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.